Sometimes we rename our categories or tags, which makes our URLs don't match the name of these, which could create confusion among your users. However, if you try to regenerate all the URLs on WordPress, it will take you a long time, since you have to open each category or tag and edit them individually. That's why, in this video, we'll help you generate URLs from your category titles using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. It displays all your taxonomies in a spreadsheet, so you can edit them freely. Also, it contains a powerful bulk edit tool that allows you to apply changes to hundreds of categories. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. After we have installed and activated the WP Sheet Editor plugin, we'll need to open the spreadsheet that we'll use. For this example, we'll use the category spreadsheet, but you can also use the tags spreadsheet and the process will be the same. Now you'll see the spreadsheet containing all your categories and their complete information. Every row is a category and every column is a field. Now that we're ready to regenerate our URLs, go directly to the URL slug column, and edit all your categories in the spreadsheet as you would if you were working in Excel or Google Sheets. When you're done, don't forget to save the changes. To regenerate hundreds of categories URLs in seconds, you'll need to use the bulk edit tool. Select to edit the rows from the current search. Choose the slug field. Select clear value. And enable the lower execution method. Finally, execute. And the selected categories URLs will be updated. As you can see, it is really easy to find and edit thousands of categories or tags using the Taxonomy Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.